Nigerians. So, VeryDarkMan called me this afternoon, like for the first time in my life, the first time. So my phone rang, I picked. It was VDM. Say, my name is VeryDarkMan. I say, oh, VDM, what's up? Say, cool, how far? I say, alright. So, you know, all these guys to guys conversation, now we talk for a while, then he now said, he's calling me because of this particular video. I said, okay, any problem? He said, no, some guys don't see him and they interested on this stuff. You know, I'm going to code the words, you know, when I want to get angry. I said, okay, cool. He now said, okay, you would like to share my number with them? Like, I say, oh, cool, no shaking. So he shared my number with the Oga. The commanders, he can't share the commander number to me. So told me that they're gonna call me, and immediately the Oga called me immediately, and he was like, "Thank you very much. We see what you do, and yeah, thank you very much. So we can as well work together as a team." So I said, "Okay." He said, so he's calling me because he wants me to, you know, may I feed them with details when I get about this when they with me. I said, okay, no problem. Immediately, I feed them details when they with me about this particular video. I feed the details to them. You know, that was it.
The young man in that video is called English Alhaji. He makes videos exposing the evil agenda of bandits and terrorists in northern Nigeria. If bandits and terrorists kill people in northern Nigeria, before the news will get to national televisions and newspapers, this young man here called English Alhaji will expose everything on his platform. He posts videos of people that were killed during bandits and terrorist attacks in northern Nigeria. He has a Telegram platform where he posts those videos. If terrorists just strike today in northern Nigeria, he will be the first person to talk about it. He will tell you the time that those bandits and terrorists struck. He will tell you how many people that were killed and so on. This young man called English Alhaji is an Igbo man. He is living in northern Nigeria. English Alhaji should be very careful when dealing with that young man called VeryDarkMan. Some people go feel say, now where VeryDarkMan don't come into the game, everywhere go good. Now lie you. What this young man called English Alhaji is doing is more important than what VeryDarkMan is doing. He and VeryDarkMan not at the same level. This young man is exposing what bandits and terrorists are doing in northern Nigeria. His life is at stake. The young man have made so many videos saying that terrorists are threatening him, that they are after his life. That commander that is telling the young man to feed him with information, is the young man DSS? Is the young man an army officer? Look at this news here. Nigeria government knows every terrorist by name and location, says Sheikh Gumi. That news is coming from Daily Post. Sheikh Gumi said that on the 10th of March 2026. He said that the federal government of Nigeria knows the name of every bandit and terrorist in northern Nigeria. So why is that commander asking English Alhaji to give him the information of a bandit and a terrorist that the federal government of Nigeria knows his name and his whereabouts? English Alhaji should be very careful. English Alhaji made the mistake by giving out his number to someone that he did not know before. The conversation where this English Alhaji get with that VeryDarkMan, you go dey surprised say VeryDarkMan record everything. He record everything, he screenshot everything so that he he go use them against English Alhaji in the future. That is what VeryDarkMan is doing to other people. If you and VeryDarkMan talk now, he go record them, he go screenshot them. The only thing that VeryDarkMan is good at is dragging people that are not the problem of Nigeria. The one wey they drag recently, na Lord. They are saying that people were killed in Jos. The whole country are pondering about it, talking about it. You go arrest Lord. Can't divert the attention of Nigerians where they talk about the people they kill for Jos. VeryDarkMan is a distraction. VeryDarkMan where they see na distraction to Nigerians. That person not be who you go trust. VeryDarkMan made a video some time ago saying that he did not like Naira Marley. He was saying, I don't like Naira Marley. I don't like him song. I don't like anything about Naira Marley. That guy, they irritate me. He said so many things. Months later, he posted a video when he was dancing with Naira Marley. Music they play, here Naira Marley stand, they dance, they happy. They can't be friends. VeryDarkMan only want to be on the spotlight. And if English Alhaji not dey careful, that same thing where VeryDarkMan dey do other people, he go down to English Alhaji. English Alhaji, stay very clear from VeryDarkMan. Stay clear from that guy. Some of my Igbo brothers go say, Almighty, focus on Igbo unification. Stop talking about VeryDarkMan issue. Stop talking about English Alhaji issue. This is not your concern. I know they like what they do again. You don't start to make me the verse. That one are the word of all those Igbo people who call themselves RATT. You they call yourself RATT. RATT not get any agenda to bring out our brother Nnamdi Kanu from prison. RATT not get any agenda to give Igbo an additional state. RATT not get any agenda to give Igbo seaport. RATT where you they call yourself, it has no single agenda for Igbo. And you they call yourself RATT because you an Igbo person, you not get direction. You don't know movements and agenda that you should support in Nigeria. RATT, you go see so many Igbo youths carry RATT for head. What is the direction of RATT? They're not going to tell you. After English Alhaji posted that video online, all his comment section, people were telling him to stay clear from VeryDarkMan. English Alhaji, why you go carry your number against somebody where you don't know? On the 4th of September 2025, the governor of Zamfara State called Governor Dauda Lawal. He said that, I know where bandits are, but security agents take orders from Abuja. Why is that commander telling English Alhaji to give him the information of a bandit and terrorist, whereas the federal government of Nigeria knows the location of these bandits and terrorists? English Alhaji, you are not a security operative that should be giving out the information of bandits and terrorists to people that you don't know before. You don't know who be who. Many people want to bring you down, and you know it. All the people who don't come in contact with VeryDarkMan, all of them get issue. Time go come now where VeryDarkMan go start to dey post this on a chat online. They tell people say, this guy called English Alhaji, you know wetin dey happen. You know wetin dey happen between bandits and terrorists. He's this, he's that. He's using it to grow his page. He's using it to cash out. I don't care who this video what they do they pay. If he pay you, that one are your own business. Our brother English Alhaji have to be protected. Now Igbo person he be, so he concern me. The reason why English Alhaji bring that issue come online now for the world to know say VeryDarkMan call am, so that if he begin to sub for future say VeryDarkMan start to the drag and to bring am down, make evidence dey. Now you English Alhaji go come tell a military commander in Nigeria the information of bandits and terrorists. You have to be very careful. Anybody where they do the kind of movement where they do, that person have to be very careful. You don't give your number to anyhow people. You people should beware of VeryDarkMan. That cannot be person where they trust. Beware of VeryDarkMan. Especially those Igbo people where they call themselves RATT. What is the agenda of RATT in Igbo land? Now only Igbo people, they carry the movement where other people create for their head. Cultism, Igbo people carry am for head. No be Igbo man found cultism, but now Igbo people carry am for head. RATT, not be Igbo man create am, but now Igbo people carry am for head. another person go still create another thing. Igbo youth go still carry am for head because they don't have boundaries. They don't know how to mind their business. And when the heat go start now, Igbo people that go still dey shoot. Now so VeryDarkMan go talk say Igbo youth come out for protest. You go see so many of them that go mumu go dey protest. Army go still come start to dey shoot them gone. Tomorrow now people will be saying, they are killing Igbo youth in this country. All the time that they kill Igbo youth. The same Igbo youth no one use their sense. Zeluke. Mazunam they cannot dey prison. You did that they do RATT. Ndi are being marginalized. You did that they do RATT. Makima Hongwei. English Alhaji, be very careful with VeryDarkMan. Stay clear from VeryDarkMan. You are not the one to be feeding Nigerian army the location of bandits and terrorists. The federal government of Nigeria knows the location of bandits and terrorists. No be you go tell them where bandits and terrorists dey. Be very careful and stay safe. Beware of VeryDarkMan. Ishe wale.